So okay, let's see what I got in the mail. I believe it's from AliExpress. Don't worry. I already sanitized. I already sprayed down. Give it a little spray again. Yep. See what's going on here. Let's see what I've got. Yep. So it's my phone holder. I ordered this phone holder from Bezos, I believe. Car mount holder. Up. Gotta check how it is, how it works. So that's one down. Let's see what's the other one I got. It came pretty fast. You can see it still. You can still get stuff from AliExpress coming to your country. I thought it would have taken a lot longer. Oh, I was waiting on this one. So this is what you call it? It's like a turntable, that gives perfume off. Air freshener, sorry. I got caught up for words there. So let's see how it looks. It's a little bit stuck. Okay, let's see. I'm excited. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, first impression, it's a lot smaller than it looks on the video from AliExpress. I can tell you it feels really nice. It's premium, I would say. It looks really nice, really nice. I like it. Now let's see the turntables. Let's see what's inside. Yep, time for the big reveal. Let's see. Yep, I ordered 3 with it. These are the turntables. You can see. Let me try putting one on or opening it and see how nice it smells. I think I'm gonna open this one. So it has a little tear here that you can rip. This is how it looks. Let me try it. Oops, so this can move. And you just put it just like this. Wow, I can tell you it smells really nice. I don't even have it by my nose and I'm smelling it. Yep, smells really nice. I'm not sure if it's going to just make the whole car smell nice, but it smells really nice. So that's the 2 items I got from AliExpress today. Both of them I love, especially this one. So now that I checked my turntable air freshener, and I can tell you guys, I would recommend this. This is really cool and beautiful. I guess when you turn your AC on, it's designed like a fan. So once it's on, it's going to blow and it's going to spin. So this is really cool, and what I like about it more than anything, it's that it's really small. It's much smaller than it looked on AliExpress. So that's one product done. Let's open the car mount holder for my cell phone, or cell phone holder mount. Let's go. Oh, let's see if I can open it without cutting it. Oh, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Wow, man, I'm good. It's open. So let's see how it looks. First impression, nice. Really nice. Yep. I ordered this silver one, but again, just like the other one, it's smaller than it looks. And I'm really happy with the size. I will have to test it in my car and get back to you guys. So it's a gravity holder. When you put your cell phone, it's supposed to automatically lock. This had many reviews on AliExpress, so hope it works. Let's see if anything else came in the box. This came in the box. Show how this works. Okay, think you do it like that, and then you screw it in. Not quite sure how I put it. Okay, so all good. I got it back on, and this is how it looks fully mounted. You're just gonna squeeze, and you will put this one on your air vent for your car. I will give a much more detailed review when I can go set it up in my car and see if it works really well. Bye for now.